In previous class, we studied about the discovery of electron, properties of cathode rays, origin of anode rays. Now we study about the properties of anode rays. What are the properties of anode rays? They travel in a straight line. They are made up of material particles. They are positively charged. Ratio of charge by mass is different for the particles of different gases. The value of the charge on the particles constituting the anode rays is also found to depend upon the nature of the gas taken inside the discharge tube. Mass of the particles constituting the anode rays is also found to be different for different gases taken in the discharge tube. Mass was found 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Anode rays are positively charged. Anode rays contains positively charged particles. This was proved by the experiment. When a electric field is applied, then these anode rays move towards the negatively charged plate. This confirms that these anode rays are made up of positively charged particles, and these positively charged particles was known as proton. Goldstein discovered proton. Now, what is the definition of proton? How can we define proton? Proton is the fundamental particles which carries one unit positive charge and has a mass nearly equal to that of hydrogen atom. Mass. How can we find the mass of proton? Mass of proton is equal to charge divided by charge by mass ratio. What is the charge of proton? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 by charge by mass ratio 9.58 into 10 to the power 4, that is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. That means mass of one proton is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Now, before the discovery of neutron, we see the what is radioactivity. Radioactivity is the phenomenon of a spontaneous emission of radiations by certain elements like uranium, radium, etc. The elements emitting such radiations are called radioactive elements. Radioactivity in radioactivity, rays are emitted, spontaneous rays are emitted from some elements like radium, uranium, etc. The phenomenon of radioactivity was discovered by Becquerel in 1896. Three rays emitted from radioactive elements are alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Now we study about the characteristics of alpha, beta, and gamma rays. What are alpha rays? Particles are called alpha particles. Charge plus 2 unit mass 4u. This particle is same as helium nuclei and represented as 2He4. Helium mass is 4 and atomic number is 2. So alpha particle is positively charged. Positively charged. Beta rays particles are called beta particles. The particles present in the beta rays are called beta particles, and these particles are negatively charged. Beta particles can be represented as -1 is 0, where charge is -1 and mass is 0. Gamma rays, they are electromagnetic radiation. It has no charge. Now, how neutron was discovered? The mass of carbon was found to be 12, but in carbon there are 6 electrons and 6 protons, and the mass of electron is negligible. So how the mass of carbon is 12? This confirms that apart from electron and proton, there are some other particles present in carbon, so that the mass of carbon is 12. Discovery of neutron. James Chadwick in 1932 discovered a neutron. Now, how neutron was discovered by James Chadwick? For discovery of neutron, Chadwick performed a scattering experiment in 1932, in which he bombarded some light elements like beryllium and boron with fast moving alpha particles. He found that some new particles were emitted which carries no charge with very fast speed. Neutron is neutral but had a mass nearly equal to that of proton. This particle was called neutron because these particles were neutral in nature, have no charge, because they move in a straight line without deviating positive and negatively charged plate. Definition of a neutron. Neutron is the fundamental particle which carries no charge but has a mass nearly equal to that of hydrogen atom or proton. We can see here how neutron is produced by bombardment of alpha particles. Alpha particle is helium, which is doubly charged positive ion, and atomic mass is 4. When beryllium, atomic mass 9 and atomic number 4, bombarded by helium, that alpha particles, then carbon and neutron is produced. In the same way, boron, when strike with alpha particles, gives produce a neutron apart from nitrogen. Now we compare electrons, protons and neutrons, their charge and their mass. Electron is negatively charged, -1 charge, or -1.602 in 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Absolute charge. Mass is 9.11 in 10 to the minus 31 kg, or 0.000548 U. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. The charge of proton is +1. It is positively charged particle. Mass 1.672 into 10 to the minus 27, or 1.0072 U. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick, and the charge is 0. That means neutron is neutral, and the mass of neutron is 1.674 into 10 to the minus 27 kg, nearly equal to the mass of proton, or 1.00866. 1 unit charge is equal to 4.80298 in 10 to the minus 10 electrostatic unit, or 1.602 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. U is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of C12, carbon having atomic mass 12. After the discovery of electrons, protons and neutrons, scientists try to find out how these electrons, protons and neutrons are arranged in atoms, and after this they gave different atomic models to give the concept of electrons, protons and neutrons, where it is situated in atom. The first atomic model was given by J.J. Thomson. You can see here, according to J.J. Thomson, atom is considered a sphere, and in this atom, a positively charged particle equally distributed in atom, and negatively charged electron embedded in this. The mass of atom is equally distributed. The number of positively charged particle is equal to number of negatively charged particles. According to J.J. Thomson, an atom is electrically neutral because number of positively charged particles is equal to number of negatively charged particles. Thomson's model is also known as resin pudding model, watermelon model, or plum pudding model because it is similar to this. Now, what are the limitations of Thomson's model? This model explained the overall neutrality of the atom, but it could not satisfactorily explain the result of a scattering experiment carried out by Rutherford in 1911 and was rejected. The one merit is the atom is electrically neutral. Still, atom is electrically neutral because the number of positively charged particles is equal to number of negatively charged particles. But other postulates of Thomson's atomic model were proved wrong after the discovery, after many experiment of Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment. According to Thomson's atomic model, mass is equally distributed uh, in atom, but Rutherford proved that most of the space of an atom is empty. According to Thomson, positively charged particle equally distributed in an atom, but according to Rutherford's atomic model, uh, positively charged particles only present in nucleus of an atom. So many demerits was there in Thomson's atomic model. So this model was finally rejected, and then alpha particle scattering experiment uh, performed by Rutherford, and new atomic nuclear model was came into existence. Rutherford nuclear model and discovery of nucleus. For atomic model, Rutherford performed alpha particle scattering experiment. For this, he take a radioactive element like radium for the source of alpha particles. Then he kept this radium in lead block. He taken slit of the lead and circular screen with zinc sulfide coated. Zinc sulfide is fluorescent substance. Alpha particle is not visible, but when alpha particle strike with zinc sulfide, then it's a glow. In this way, alpha particles can be identified. Gold foil was taken by Rutherford for alpha particle scattering experiment. In 1911, Rutherford performed scattering experiments. In these experiments, he bombarded very thin gold foil, which is equal to 1000 nanometer thick or 10 to the power minus 7 meter, with a beam of fast moving alpha particles. Source of alpha particle was radium, a radioactive substance placed in a block of lead. Slits were used to get a fine beam. Alpha particle was detected by zinc sulfide screen, which is circular screen.